Hi, my name is TJ Newkirk. I'm the Environmental Health and Safety Manager here at Brunswick, New York Mills facility. One of the things we're most proud of is our zero waste to landfill status. So what we do is all the products that we make, all the packaging that we use, we make sure that we're reusing those materials to the best of our ability, and that includes nothing going to the landfill. One of our core values is being innovative, and so we're looking for innovative solutions to recycle, reuse, and reduce our waste. One of the most important things we do is listen to our consumers. We get feedback through our dealer network. It's important for consumers to have a sustainable product, and we strive to make that the case here, from the longevity of the boat, to the recycling of the materials, to the wise use of packaging. We're always looking to improve. Another one of our initiatives is to partner with Ottertail Power Company. We've created a solar array on our facility, and that's really important to have some renewable energy being generated in this cooperative function. We like to recycle and reuse our materials that are here, so things like recycling or reusing our pallets or any energy-containing waste such as liquid oils, fuels. Those get incorporated and they're beneficially used, so we don't have an issue of disposing of them. We're always looking for innovative ideas. We rely on our employees to also help us find new ways to reduce our energy consumption and to make things better within the production process. Things such as replacing our overhead lights to LEDs, looking for leaks in our air compressor system, making sure that we're not just wasting electricity as we're pumping air. Those are important. They might seem minor, but they make a big difference in the end. It's really a feather in our cap to have the zero waste to landfill. That is an important feature. We take pride in that here at Brunswick, New York Mills. We want to make sure that our consumers know that we care about the environment. We're fishermen, we like to be out on the lakes. That is certainly something that we're passionate about, and we want to share that with our customers as well.